Hello, my name is Daniel Curtin. I work in the Doppstadt Product Management Department. Today I would like to tell you something about the AK series. We are sitting in the scraper floor of our AKs. What does the scraper floor do? The scraper floor transports the material to the rotor, and it is the unloading point for everything you want to grind. Now I will show you exactly how the scraper floor works and its components. For this purpose, let's go to the scraper floor and have a closer look at it. The scraper floor is composed of the floor profile where the scraper floor bars run. The Doppstadt scraper floor bars have a special feature, the double profile. That means we have a lower profile and an additional profile welded on it. So even if you touch the scraper floor now and then with a wheel loader bucket, you needn't worry that it will be damaged at once. The scraper floor makes for the stability of the machine. It is the core element, and it is supported by stable walls and closed off by the engine at the front. Finally, the scraper floor is responsible for a continuous material infeed to the rotor, thus boosting your grinding result. What happens when a scraper floor is worn out? When the scraper floor bars are deformed or misaligned, no more material can be conveyed. The infeed runs sluggishly and the material is not fed cleanly to the rotor. If your scraper floor bars are worn out on the support, you have the same effect. Material accumulates under the bars. The scraper floor is sluggish and the wear on the floor plate increases. And that's when you should talk to us. When a floor plate wears out after years of use, it's time for your AK to see us again. If you take care of the maintenance and care of the machine's centerpiece, the floor, you will have a lot of fun with the machine, and it will do a good job in the long term.